Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the COOLHOPPE 60W L-Tip MagSafe Travel Charger for the 2006 to 2012 Apple MacBook Pro. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So we do that by, of course, flipping out the box flap and then lifting up the box lid. And just to show you the contents as they are, and let's go ahead and pop them out from the box tray, or we could just simply lift the entire packaging along with the contents out from the box. And let's tip the paper from the box as well, and always making sure that there's nothing else left behind in there. And let's set the box to the side. Okay. Try to find room in this small frame here, just to make sure everything is visible. Okay, so I think that's pretty much the contents fit nicely into the shot right there, or frame. And we can start off by, of course, taking a look at this pamphlet here. Okay, so this appears to be, we'll find out in a second what it is, by, of course, folding it out. Okay, so it is the packaging contents, as well as some warranty information, as you can see right there, along with the graphics as well at the top, or diagrams. And on the reverse side, there is some text about leaving feedback, or if you have any issues and wish to exercise the warranty on the COOLHOPPE 60W L-Tip MagSafe Travel Charger for the 2006 to 2012 Apple MacBook Pro. Okay, now we can go ahead and take a look at the rest of the contents. So there is an adapter here, a 2-pin adapter or plug. So once again, this is a travel charger, so you'll see a number of plugs for various countries or regions. So there's a 3-pin plug here for the UK. Okay, I'm going to set that down as well. And moving on to the next item, so we do have the main item itself, which is the COOLHOPPE 60W L-Tip MagSafe Travel Charger, and making sure that there's nothing else in that foam tray there. And I'm just going to set it down before I handle it, so you can have a good sense of the size of the travel charger. So this is a dual voltage travel charger. Can be used in the States or in Europe or Asia, internationally anyway. And you can see that there is the 2-pin plug there as well. So 3 forms of plugs. And just to show you the size of it right there, resting in the palm of my hand. And of course, let me bring that L-tip up as well. So this is a 60-watt charger that's designed for use with the older MacBook Pros, ranging from 2006 to 2012. Okay, and showing you the reverse side. So you can see it does have a nice glossy finish. Of course, there is some protective film on it. So it is a nice square block. and showing you the connector end as well. So I'm just trying to show you as much detail as I can right here with the L-tip connector there for the older model MacBook Pros. So it does have a 1/2 inch wide connection there compared to the MagSafe 2 ones, which have a 5/8 inch connector. Okay, gonna give you that close-up look right there so you can see very clearly the design of that connector right there. And there is a built-in strip of LED right there that shows the charging status with amber and green colors. Okay, so give you a close-up look once again and very quickly with the connector right there, the L-tip connector, as you can see. So this is a MagSafe 1 connector, and to show the cable length as well, I'm going to undo the cable tie. And if I shuffle these two adapter plugs around, and hopefully that way you have some sense of the cable length. So nice and long right there. Not sure if I can unwind the whole cable neatly while maintaining everything in the shot, but I think that's the best I can do while trying to keep everything nice and tidy. Otherwise it will just get simply very messy in the background if I start shifting everything all over the place. Okay, so some sense, nice and long, that's for sure. And there is a batch number as well, which is good to see, so if there are any issues it can always be identified. Alright, so looking at the various components to it, you can see there are two kind of bracket or retractable or foldable wings where you can actually coil the cable around for storage, so really handy actually. So I'm not going to do this whole thing because it's rather unnecessary, but you get the idea right there, what can be achieved, being that this is designed as a travel charger. So two flaps there, or wings I would call them, which can fold down, and they have that really positive click, so nice and sturdy. And of course this side round, just showing you the details right there, if I can get some focus right there. So very fine print, but nonetheless giving you an all-round look around this COOLHOPPE 60W L-Tip MagSafe Travel Charger. And it's designed for the 2006 to 2012 Apple MacBook Pros. Okay, so nice good look, and of course we can always pull down the plug connectors, and once again, being a travel charger, should you need to adapt the plug for different regional sockets, simply slide the plug you need down into the travel charger and you're good to go. And let's switch to this other plug as well. So right there, and of course simply popping it off is easily done, just like that. Okay, so just going to leave that out, flip the wings out and perhaps coil it slightly right there, just to show you what the COOLHOPPE Travel Charger is all about. So that's the COOLHOPPE 60W L-Tip MagSafe Travel Charger for the 2006 to 2012 Apple MacBook Pro. Thanks for watching and happy charging!